Hi everyone, today we're going to perform a factory reset of ScanAvenger SA9200 model, which is our newest 1D and 2D barcode scanner. Now this video is specifically for a wireless connection using the USB dongle. The process is fairly simple, and it begins by unplugging the USB dongle from your device or charging base. Next, we will scan a series of codes. We've added a link to those codes in the description of this video, but you can also find them in the manual section of our webpage. These codes can be scanned directly from the screen, so there's no need to print anything. So let's go ahead and scan them in order. At this point, you'll notice a green light flashing on your scanner. Now you can plug in the USB dongle. You'll then notice a solid blue light on your scanner. This means your scanner is now paired and ready to be used. Let's try it out. Now, if you encounter any difficulties with this process or have any issues at all with your scanner, please do not hesitate to email us at helpdesk@scanavenger.com. You'll find that email address in the description. Also, feel free to comment with any questions or concerns. We're here 24/7 and it's always a pleasure to help.